Hi guys, this is welcome back to the channel, and I'm going to be showing a new high-end restaurant template. I'm going to be releasing on the Framer Marketplace, as well as maybe a few other places. So I'll give you guys a quick tour first. So it's a single landing page design, so just to keep everything in one place, and it makes it easy to navigate and stuff. It's impossible to get lost. So it's fully responsive. It's powered by CMS, and I'll show you how to. It's got all the sections you need. So an about us section, menu, a bar, and on a wine list, photo gallery, and visit us, contact us thing. So I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to customize it for your own website or your own project. So you can put your own colors, your own content, your own brand identity, your own photos, all that, all in with zero code. So I'll show you first what's going on underneath. So as I said already, the website's fully responsive. So you've got a desktop, tablet, and phone breakpoint. Every breakpoint's been checked like meticulously over to make sure that it works on all screen sizes. And as I mentioned, the CMS means that it's very easy and quick to update prices or adding or taking away dishes from the menu. Also, as you can see here in assets, every single color everywhere on the text and everything is all controlled, is all tokenized and all controlled from here. So if you want to change the color scheme of the website, all you need to do is just change it here or change it here, and it will update, and the changes will cascade throughout the whole thing. There's also a light mode, which I can show you quickly. Basically the exact same, but light. I prefer the dark though. And then one last thing is there's also a template guide here. So this is not part of the website. This won't get published, but this is just here for your information. This basically goes over everything that I'll be going over in this video. So we'll get started with the CMS. So here we'll start with the food menu because that's probably the thing you'll interact with the most. So you'll see four collections here: food, wine, desserts, and a bar list. If you're inside the food menu, you see every menu item as a row here, with its like category, and description and price, etc. And then there's also a featured checkbox column. So if you want to have something in the signature cuts grid on the homepage, which I showed earlier, you just need to tick one of these, and then it will just show up there, which is like nice. And then this tab group thing means if you want to change what tab group the item shows up in. So if you want to show up under bar and wine or steaks or bone in or whatever, just change it here, and the change will like carry across into that as well. And the same thing applies. It's the same thing for this menu applies for this menu, this menu, this menu, because they're all based off the same. They all use the same component. So next we'll do branding, etc. So anything that you want to change, if you want to change your logo, for example, just go into this template section, and you can just swap everything out here. Swap a vector out, put your own SVG in if you like. Same here at the bottom. It's very easy to just put your actual business address in, put a link to your actual address, all this stuff. Very easy to change your stuff. Obviously, this phone number as well, you wouldn't want to forget about. next, we can go back to home, and I'll show you the Google Maps embed. So down here, just put in the link to your own place here. So for example, just search up. If you don't know how to do that, just search up your business on Google Maps, and then just copy the link in the URL at the top, and then just paste that in here, and that will show you exactly where your business is. And then if you want to customize these photos, each of these, just click on it. You can go in here, fill image, and then just choose a photo like that. Next we'll go on to the assets and styles and stuff. So inside color styles here, we've got base, accent, utility, and this is where basically you can control the visual identity of your site. So this is what makes a template really flexible. So every color that you see here lives in one of these token folders. So nothing on the canvas uses a raw hex value. So nothing here uses like a raw hex color. Every color here is linked to one of these ones. So if I want to change the color of this, all I need to do is just select a different one from here, or go into the color that is selected here. So border, for example. And then I just change what the border color is, and then that means that anywhere else that uses the same border variable for its color will also get changed. That means that you can change stuff very quickly and easily. And also each color has got a reciprocal color for the light and dark mode. So that's how it works. That's how when you change to light mode, everything knows what its equivalent color should be. You can also customize that yourself as well. So you could basically have a red version and a green version, for example. It doesn't need to be black and white. Right. And then fonts are basically the same. So these are color styles, and then this is text styles. So every single bit of writing on this page uses a preset font, which basically means, like for example, this uses a style which is defined here. So if you want, you can update the style here, and then it will change across the whole website. You don't need to go looking around and manually changing everything. Right, next, if you want to publish this website for yourself or for a client, all you need to do after you've edited it is just go up here and hit publish. Before you do that though, it's probably recommended to just preview everything. So just click on the desktop icon, press Command P, or I believe it's Control P on Windows. That'll just set it up as if it's live, and you can just kind of scroll through and make sure everything works and stuff. I would check that all the breakpoints work. So this is a tablet breakpoint here. You can change it to the phone breakpoint just to make sure everything fits, because you can have quite a lot, like longer like text strings can sometimes behave weirdly when you change it to a different screen size. So just make sure that everything's nice and neat here. And then I think that's basically everything. We've done the menu, CMS, we've done the branding and photo swap. We've done publishing, we've done breakpoints. So if there's anything else that you need, have a look at the design guide here, or just send an email. Send me an email, and I can answer you and help you out. and or leave a comment below this video if I left something out and you need me to go over it again. I can just edit some stuff back in. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you're a prospective buyer, I hope this helped clear up any questions you had about the customizability of it. If you did buy it, thanks very much for your purchase, and feel free to get in touch with feedback or questions or anything like that. So thanks very much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.